Dear students, we are going to see about the topic computer software. So, computer software, there are categories in computer software: system software, application software, and firmware. So, first we will see definition for computer software. So, it is a set of programs which is designed to perform a well defined function. So, you must know what is a program. A program is a sequence of instructions written to solve a particular problem. So, the main types of software is system software and application software. So, first we will see system software. It is a collection of programs designed to operate, control, and extend the processing capabilities of the computer itself. System software is generally prepared by the computer manufacturers. These software products comprise of programs written in low-level languages which interact with the hardware at a very basic level. System software serves as the interface between the hardware and the end users. So examples for the system software: operating system, compilers, interpreters, assemblers, etc. Here is a list of some of the most prominent features of the system software. It is very close to the system, it is fast in speed, it is difficult to design, it is difficult to understand, less interactive, smaller in size, difficult to manipulate. Generally done in low level language. So next we will see application software. Application software products are designed to satisfy a particular need of a particular environment. All software applications prepared in the computer lab can come under the category of application software. Application may consist of a single program such as Microsoft Notepad for writing and editing a simple text. It may also consist of collection of programs often called a software package which work together to accomplish a task such as a spreadsheet package, Microsoft Excel. Examples for the application software: payroll software, student record software, inventory management software, income tax software, railways reservation software, Microsoft Office suite of software, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. So let us see the features of the application software. It is close to the user, it is easy to design, more interactive, slow in speed, generally written in high level language, it is very easy to understand, easy to manipulate and use, it is bigger in size and requires large storage space. So next we will see another type of software, that is called firmware. So it is a software program or set of instructions programmed on a hardware device. It provides the necessary instructions for how the device communicates with the other computer hardware. It is stored in the flash ROM, read-only memory of a hardware device. Examples of the firmware: the BIOS found in the IBM compatible PC, code inside a printer, software controlling a heart defibrillator, software controlling the lights in an office building. So the use of the firmware: it is added at the time of manufacturing and it is used to run user programs on the device and can be thought of as a software that allows hardware to run. So the difference between firmware and software: the main difference between firmware and software is that the firmware is a special type of software that helps to control device hardware, while a software is a collection of instructions that tells the computer to perform a specific task. So we have seen the types of software in detail. Again, the categories of software is system software, application software, and firmware. So computer software is nothing but it is a set of programs which is designed to perform a well-defined function. It consists of many programs, and program is a sequence of instructions written to solve a particular problem. Thank you.